Alexander, listen to me. If they discover the truth about the relic, our family's legacy, everything we've built here will crumble.
This is for you, Clara. Everything is going to be all right now.
Oh, Alexander. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Welcome home, everyone. We are so happy you're here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I love it already.
Please eat heartily. There is plenty for everyone.
Indeed. To our wonderful family. Cheers!
Look here. It mentions the collapse. And Clara.
She gave me everything she had.